Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the camshaft position sensor on your Ford F150 5 Ecoboost. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work. Then, carefully locate the camshaft position sensor on your engine, which is crucial for proper engine function. Once you've located the sensor, you might need to remove some components that are blocking your access, like the air intake tube. Next, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the old camshaft position sensor. Be careful not to damage the wiring or the connector itself. Then, using the correct size wrench or socket, carefully unbolt the sensor from its housing, preparing it for removal.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. And on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable, especially when you're under a truck. You can find the link for those amazing socks and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Before installing the new sensor, apply a small amount of clean engine oil to the O-ring. This helps ensure a proper seal and prevents damage during installation. Carefully insert the new camshaft position sensor into its mounting hole, making sure it seats correctly. Finally, tighten the sensor bolt to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is typically around 7 to 10 foot-pounds, to prevent over-tightening. After the new sensor is securely in place, reconnect its electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into position. Then, reinstall any components you removed earlier, such as the air intake system, making sure all clamps and hoses are secure. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and listen for any unusual noises or check for dashboard warning lights to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.